we're looking for the peaks and troughs, and that's the left ear coming up and responding well, and the right ear, as we can see, coming up and down. And if they don't hear anything, you get a very, very flat line, and so it just sometimes waves a little bit, sometimes you get just about nothing on it. You have got to make sure that actually you're getting the sound down the ear properly. So sometimes it's matter. I may take that one again and just make sure. If I get similar on the other side, I'll check the connections as well. But sometimes it is just that you're not quite in the right place. You want to make sure you don't say you're not when you are. I'm going to just check the connections on that and we'll go left and right again. We've got a much usually try to find at least one puppy that's there we go. Right, so let's see whether we can measure your brain weight. I've got you written down. I've got positive pulse on the left hand ear. Okay, so in your ear. Lovely. I'll actually come up, I think so. I'll search for it, I think for you to come down that one. Yeah. That's very nice. So we've got a nice undulation there. And you get the peaks and troughs, and we're looking to make sure we get peaks and troughs normally, as opposed to when you... Slightly off. I think we were angled at the wrong angle, not getting it right down to down there. I might let me do it. You're worried about it, are you? No. Yeah.
Not too traumatising, would it be?
Oh, terrible. Absolutely awful, aren't you?
It was kind of Caribbean Dream.
Caribbean Dream.
Mark you off. Give it a laugh on there, then, there we go.
Two R's, one R.
One R with two B's.
Are you happy sitting there?
Can I turn around if it's easier for you?
No, I think either way, if she's sat there quietly, the only note of it is actually they're quiet.
Yeah, if they're struggling, you're going to
If it's struggling, it's then a matter of saying, right, where are they going to be the quietest? Did I say something? I don't mind stabbing me, I don't want to stab your dad. And I don't want to stab you lots of times either. I want to stab you once and that's it. Well, not once, 3 times actually.
Bit like acupuncture, if you imagine.
Yeah, it doesn't have the same kind of calming effect, but oh, little monster. You're a little cutie.
So it's not convenient arm tweet there, isn't it? Give us something to do.